Hi, good morning, good afternoon. As applicable, as we say normally, this is Ravindra Pandey. I have around 26 years plus experience. I'm closely associated with Gurukuls from last few years. I've been into training industry from last around 16 years. So I'm full-time trainer. I predominantly do corporate trainings. On top of that, as a really great cause, we are working together with Guru Schools on various job-related fronts, and we are training on specifically a great track called business analysis, quality assurance, quality control, agile, scrum, and then we move to a certification part like doing agile certification, CVAP, then project management certification, PMP, PMI, PGMP, and so on and so forth. Now we have also started with technology track like DevOps, development operations, then Python data science, which is our flagship track right now, and we are closely working with various recruitment agency and our technology partners. And yes, so as far as cause of the Guru School goes, we're trying to help the overall jobless enthusiast, uh, predominantly in North American and Canadian region, so that we have a specific targets to support those technical needs. And as per due to the COVID pandemic, we are trying to help them to reach their goals, to enhance their career to a level where we can enrich their knowledge, their hands-on experience. Plus we help them to actually build the resumes, to create a really validated resume as needed by the recruitment industry or the consulting industry, and then move to a next level to help them support for the interview support, whatever they need in terms of on-job support, whatever if they need, and so on and so forth. So we have around six pillar program at Guru School. It normally start with kind of 6 to 8 week trainings, beta technology, non-technical tracks, as per the choice of the candidates. Then we move to a next step of building their profile, building their resumes, working on their overall how they share their data with the vendors, recruiters, consultant, and end client as well, so that we basically enrich the overall process of accepting to from a non-technical to a technical transition, be it a fresher, be it a, new graduates, and we work closely with them for all these six pillars program. And the pillars means the first is training, second one is helping them to build the profile, third one can be job interview preparations, vendor interview preparations, in client preparations. Then we closely work with them on job support, and that's whole 9 acts we work them. And this is kind of long term engagement we are looking for. And I believe we are almost supporting 100 plus consultant as of now, and we might reach that level by 1,000 by 2021 year end. And that's a kind of really great program Guru Schools have right now. I predominantly work out of India. I've traveled around 16 plus countries. I have worked on various technology. I started as an assembly developer, then I moved to Java, J2E, .NET, C, C++. So I was predominantly many tracks enthusiast to start with. I'm a technocrat by heart, but my passion is basically in training, enriching someone's knowledge, enriching the overall wisdom of new technology, keep trying new technology. So we also do have some really great project on Internet of Things, some CRMs, some Salesforce administration kind of low technology track, where all these new enthusiasts who want to enter in IT, we help them to reach their career goals as they planned. This might not be the best earner, but these tracks really help everybody to get started in IT. And that's where I think Guru School is playing really great part, even in terms of creating a new business analyst to understand how the business requirement process works, how overall we gather the requirement, we with various tools, techniques, visual modeling tools, and then go ahead with training them on temporarization, how we use in terms of agile, scrum, in terms of various solution framework, can be RUP, MSF, various project methodologies, various quality framework like ISO, CMMI, and so on and so forth. So this is really new partygram. We are also improving day by day. And as Ravindra Pandey, I would really like you to have look at our Facebook and introduction page at Facebook, LinkedIn, and various social site. And please have a look at overall our offerings, and then we can discuss further, go into deep dive, understand one on one also. So this is our way. This is Guru School way of giving to the industry. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for that.